Okay, this is our 3D printer. The power switch is back here. If you kind of feel right here, you'll feel the switch and it will turn on. The memory card goes in here and you'll see that it's got a USB stick to carry it from the computer to here. So if you are looking for it, it might be here. That's where it should go back to so we don't lose it. And the SD card gets loaded in the slot face forward. You have to push it down. I'm sorry, the gold, like the prongs forward. Use your finger, I have a nail, to push it down and lock it. To take it out, same thing, you kind of push down and push up to lock. There's different menus here on the printer. You'll know you're in the menus because on the side, you'll see the brackets around it. So you have home, those are for the nozzle and filament. This is for the like account stuff for the device, for the printer. And down here are your files. We're gonna start by checking what filament's in there. We've got this like red two-tone. I don't want that, I want just like a basic black. So I'm going to go to the nozzle, arrow over, down to feeding, and unload. It'll take a few minutes to heat up until we can unload the filament. So watch the screen until it's ready. When it gets to temp, it's gonna say that it's unloading and the filament is ready. So we can come back here and pull it right out of the little nozzle and take it off of the mount. You can tie these up really nice, feed it through the little holes and put it back up there or put it in the drawers. I can't do that right now left-handed, so it's gonna be a little tricky. And then you wanna get ready to prep the next one. Whenever I start a feed, I like to give my filaments a cut, and I always do it at an angle. So these are snips, give it a little fresh cut and have it ready to go. I'm gonna feed it, try to make sure it's not twisted too bad anywhere. I'm gonna feed it so that it's gonna go over and right into there when it's ready. I'm gonna go back over here now. I'm gonna arrow up to load. And it's gonna go right back to temp here. And it'll tell you when it's ready. Okay, it's ready to load. It's telling me to go ahead and load it from the spool holder. So I'm gonna come back here, get my freshly cut piece, if I can find it, out, getting it twisted. And this one's really easy. You're just gonna feed it into the tube until you feel it stop. Kind of see it go through the tube too. See it go there into the head. And you can kind of feel it stop. So that's where you're gonna stop. And it's going to, I think I waited too long, so I'm gonna hit the button to retry. And it's gonna start taking it. I can kind of feel it taking it as I'm holding it back here. And you can look in here and you're gonna look to see if there's movement there at the nozzle. And you can kind of see the filament coming out. Excuse my shaky hand. And it's gonna be like, I did it, I'm done. And if there's a saying like check to make sure it came out, you can always hit okay. If you see there's an error, you can say retry, hit done, and it is ready to print. I like to check this and make sure there's no old filament on it. You can peel it right off, put it in the garbage. Once in a while we should clean this out, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna close it up and I'm ready to send my print job. So I'm gonna go back over here to the files, which is down there. And the newest file will always be at the top. So keychain stand is what I want to print. I'm gonna go here, hit OK, hit print. And it's gonna always give you that message That last screen, I kind of clicked it too fast, but it does tell you how long, and it'll tell you again here. So this is a 3-hour print. You've got a pause, you've got a stop that you can navigate to if there's something wrong and you need to stop it or pause it. And you can watch it build. Come check on it. I always recommend coming back and checking on it in the first 10 minutes to make sure it's printing, it's adhering to the bed, and if there's an issue, you catch it earlier than later.